What's up, guys? First of all, Happy New Year to you all. May this year brings a ton of happiness to your family and your loved ones. So, the iPhone 6s came with a powerful 64-bit A9 chip, and Apple introduced a new color known as rose gold, as you can see in this video. This device is almost the perfect buy in 2019. Okay, so let's talk about some cons of this device. So, if you want an futuristic look and that bezel-less feel, this device is not for you. This device have a pretty thick bezels, and if you are okay with that thing, that big bezels or that aluminum back, then this device is a perfect buy for you. The display of this device is that usual IPS LCD display, but it is good, not that good, but it is good for 2019 standard. You can live with this device for at least one more year, and of course this device is still be supported by Apple, and this thing is a powerhouse. This thing has enough power to handle your day-to-day tasks, or even if you are playing PUBG, Fortnite or any game, this can handle it like a boss. And of course, you all guys know the durability game was also stepped up. The iPhone 6 had an bandgate issue which was very bad. The phone gets bent and it never recovers. You want to buy a new phone, there's no case. And this device introduced a new aluminum which was powerful and very good and very durable. So that's it for today's video. If you do end up liking my video, please do subscribe my channel and click that bell icon. Till then, peace out and Happy New Year.